Hello and welcome to Shambhala's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you a very classic and tasty spring roll recipe that is enjoyed by everyone, especially children just love it. Spring roll can be veg or non-veg. It's up to your choice. Actually, the inner filling makes difference between the two, but the outer wrapper is always same. Today I will be making chicken and vegetable spring roll. I kept the recipe very simple. For filling, I will be using chopped spring onion, carrot julienne, chopped red onion, sprouts, ginger, shredded cabbage, chopped garlic and chicken. To season the mixture, you need pepper, salt, red chili sauce, dark soy sauce and oil. And for wrapper, I'll be using ready-made spring roll sheet. It is available in most of the leading market. Very easy to use and handy. Instructions are given in the back side. It comes frozen, so you will have to defrost it first. Just keep it in the room temperature for 40 minutes to 1 hour. They will defrost naturally and will be ready to use. Now I am gonna marinate the chicken with half teaspoon salt, quarter teaspoon white pepper powder and about 1 tablespoon corn flour. Corn flour will absorb the moisture from the chicken. Mix them well. You don't need to keep it aside for a long time. Just you make your oil ready for preparing the chicken, and in the meanwhile it will be ready. So first I am gonna heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. The oil is getting hot, so add the chicken now. Keep stirring well, as the chicken will stick together and form a lump. You can't break the lump later, so be careful. Cook on low flame and keep breaking the part. If it still forms lump, use potato masher or hand to break after cooling down the mixture. As you can see, the chicken is changing its color slowly into opaque and losing its moisture. I'll continue cooking till moisture completely evaporates. Now my chicken is done. It's looking dry and no more moisture is there. So I'm gonna take it out in a bowl and keep aside. Next, wipe the pan clean and heat 1 tablespoon oil again. Add chopped garlic and ginger. Saute for a few seconds. Now for onions and saute for a while. You don't need to make it brown. When the onions are translucent, add all the veggies one by one. Carrot julienne, shredded cabbage and sprouts. You can add any vegetables of your choice, but don't add those vegetables whose water content is too much, like tomato, because it could make your filling soggy. Just toss them. Veggies don't take much time to cook, and I don't want the veggies are overcooked because they will cook again in lot of hot oil while deep frying the spring rolls. So just make sure they are crunchy enough when you bite the vegetables. It will take 1 to 2 minutes all total, not more than that. Now it's been 2 minutes and my veggies look done, but still crunchy like the way I want. Now I'm gonna add chicken. Now it's time to add soy sauce and red chili sauce. Toss for a while. After combining them all together, add chopped spring onion. Just a little toss. I'm not gonna add salt right now because I don't want the moisture of the vegetables oozed out. I'll add salt after they are completely cooked. Yeah, it's done. Add salt and pepper now. Mix gently. It is very easy to make, isn't it? Take out in a plate. Let it come down to room temperature so that you can easily handle it. In this meantime, let's make corn flour slurry, which will I need to stick my spring rolls. Add little water to corn flour and mix. You could also add refined flour instead. Now my filling came to a room temperature, so this is the time to wrap it up. And my spring roll sheets are also ready to use now. They have made my work easy, quick and mess free. Take one wrapper and place wrapper on a clean, dry surface like a diamond. Cover rest of the wrapper with towel to keep it moist, else they will dry out and crack quickly if left uncovered. Place 1 tablespoon of filling near the corner, not more than that. Less filling the better. Overstuffed spring rolls break apart in the oil. So fold over the corner. Roll tight. Fold over left side. Fold over the other side. Leave no space or air pockets. Air pockets cause for oil seepage and result is oily roll. I know you don't want that. Roll up tightly towards the top corner. Brush a little cornstarch slurry along the edge. Close it up. See how nice and neat the roll is wrapped. I'm gonna make some more. Here are all my spring rolls ready to go in the hot sizzling oil. Carefully slide the spring rolls in. Don't overcrowd the spring rolls in the pan because they won't cook evenly. Keep flipping it over to get even coloring. Fry until the roll is golden brown. Now my hot, crispy spring rolls are all ready to take out. Place them on paper towel. Let the napkin to soak the excess oil. Garnish as you wish. Serve hot with your favorite dip and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed my today's recipe. Let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. Please subscribe my channel for more delicious chicken recipes. You can also visit my website, Facebook and Twitter page. The links are given in the description below this video. Thanks for watching, take care and bye bye.